Now, if you watch our channels, you'll know that Intoco are the proud sponsors of our Swarf and Chip Show. Now, Gio and myself have travelled here to Cheltenham today, and we're in one of their many facilities, and we're talking about the stock that they hold of their specialist steel alloys. Look at all this behind us. Gio, what's the value that is here?
The value fluctuates all the time, dependent on sales, but currently the stock value is at £14 million, and this is kind of around this facility. We see that the small bar stock, but this stock goes up to very large bar. So at Intoco, they'll stock every single size in the material range to give the customers the full support that they require.
And just give us an idea of the material types here. We talk about specialist steels and alloys, but what would that include?
Intoco specialise themselves with highly alloyed materials. These are corrosion resistant materials for high spec applications, which are synonymous with the aerospace industry, oil and gas industry, and they also add value to the materials that come in, which we can also see over here, Paul.
Yeah, and I think the level of certification that you get with Intoco's product is second to none. And we've seen some small bar there, but what about this? It's a piece of H13. Now this is 635 millimeters in diameter. I dread to think how much this weighs.
I know, and the fact that they can manipulate bars like this around this facility, can saw them off to the exact size that you require. They can even put second operations in, such as boring and turning for the client's requirements. They can even put them into square billets. They've got the facility to turn large round billets into square billets to save that customer the operation.
And look at the finish that you've got here. Now this is a sawn finish. I find this quite incredible how they actually achieve this on this material, and I know there's going to be lots of machining that goes on this particular part afterwards, but it just shows that they want to supply their customer or their user with the best possible product.
We're going to be looking at sawing operations soon from Intoco, but this gives you a little bit of an insight to the stock levels that Intoco hold here in Cheltenham.